Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful ready to wear braided bridal wig. I call it bridal wig because most of the people call it bridal wig, but you can wear this to a church, to a wedding, like so guys, this is how it looks when you try it on. So one thing you're supposed to do is to apply foundation on the lace to make it blend well with your complexion, and then on the sides you can apply gel for the baby hair. I've applied this, so just comment down below if you love this style. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.